Bowen, and I work for Cornell Smith Mierl in Austin, Texas. They're a labor and employment firm, and we do labor and employment litigation. I really like the litigation. I think because there's such a variety to it. And I really love the labor and employment field in general. It's just a very interesting field. You never know what's going to, come forth. Well, the litigation process starts out kind of slow at first, and then it increases as discovery starts happening. And depending on how big the case is, or maybe how big the company we're up against is, depends on the volume of paperwork involved in the litigation process. When the discovery is going on, a lot of the larger firms have a lot of, especially employment cases, you have to compare to other similarly situated employees or employees that have been fired for similar reasons. So there's a lot of document production, and when it's a large, usually anything over like 500 pages, I will call TERIS and ask for their assistance, and that just makes it so much easier on me so that I can spearhead some of the other part of the case. It gets very document intensive and deadline intensive the closer you get to trial. Well, there's so many deadlines in the industry that, and y'all are so good, you're so responsive. TERIS is such an awesome company. I love using y'all. I'm using y'all because of Elijah, who I've worked with at several other companies. And he is just one of the most honest, forthright people I've ever met, and he knows his stuff. He's very professional, and I know whatever I give to him, no matter how detailed the job is, that it's going to be done right. And your company is so good about going above and beyond the call of duty, and I really appreciate that, and it gives me great comfort to be able to have that trust. And y'all have on occasion even worked late nights and driven things that need to be Federal Expressed out to the late night drop to get it out, and that's just a huge burden off of me, so it's really nice having a good support company. Very important. Do you need to be detail-oriented, have good common sense, be a self-starter, self-motivated, confident where you could jump in and make some decisions, during the process, because, you just can't fear all of that. It's just part of the ball game. We work in different states. I've worked for over 300 attorneys myself. I work for the best attorneys and some of the best labor and employment attorneys in this state. And they would love to come do trainings for you. That's Cornell Smith Mierl in Austin, Texas. And they're just really fun people. We have fun at work. They're very good. They're very dedicated. And I know they can help.